Hello. I was asked about sharpening the blade in the Wayne Russell signature card. This one here, I had taken a diamond sharpener, I had sharpened this edge, and made it more of a scalpel type profile. It comes with a different profile. The edges are sharp. A lot of people use as is. Myself, I wanted to have a scalpel type, and this here has small blade, but it cuts rather decent when you sharpen this up. Run out of edge pretty quick. It's a small blade, but as you see, you can get it really sharp. Now myself, I did this as soon as I got it because I like this profile, and I always know that I have a sharp blade in my wallet and on my person. It's up to you if you want to sharpen it or not. Myself, I like this profile, and as you've seen, it cuts pretty decent. I can cut cordage with it. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm pretty sure I could skin an animal, got a trout and so on with this as well. That's what it was designed to do, is those little tasks that a small blade can do. You don't need a large blade to do a lot of tasks. So there it is there, and as you've seen, you can get it pretty sharp. I usually do the fingernail test, and if it sticks to the fingernail, I know it's sharp. I want to thank you for watching. Take care. All the best.